Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a moving background chat edit on CapCut. So make sure you can change the background of your chat to green. So I just used WhatsApp. So select the sort of screenshot, then you're going to go to chroma key and select the green screen and adjust the intensity like so. And then you can also add in like shadows too. Press the checkmark button and then go back, add in an overlay, press add overlay and select a video in stock videos or any video you'd like. Press add and then I'm just going to zoom in. Then I'm just going to press split and delete. Oops. And then I'm going to press the clip and select main track for this one, and for that one I'm just going to select overlay. Where is it? Oh, here it is. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!